Hi guys, today I am going to explain you about introduction and classification of nervous system. So first you need to know what's nervous system. It, it is an organized group of cells which are called neurons that are specialized for conducting impulse in an excited state from sensory receptors through a nerve network or nervous tissue network to an effector at the site of which it can give the response. So this is the classification of nervous system. These are generally of two types, that is central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. That's in shortcut we can call CNS and PNS. So you can see the diagram, whatever is there. Okay, here classification is given. CNS, then PNS. Again, PNS is classified into two types. One is somatic nervous system, another is autonomic nervous system. Again, autonomic nervous system is classified into two types, that is sympathetic nervous system, parasympathetic nervous system. So this is the overall basic classification of nervous system. So coming to the next point, we need to know first about CNS, that is central nervous system. It includes generally two parts, that is brain and spinal cord, which is available in the diagram. Okay, so it is made up of brain and spinal cord, which is looking yellow. You can see in the diagram that yellow mark represents CNS. Okay, generally it's marked as brain and spinal cord, and it also acts as a body control center, and it coordinates with different body activities like you want to sleep, you want to work, everything. Okay, and here impulse also travels through neurons in the body to reach out our brain. Okay, so again, the next is peripheral nervous system or PNS. It is made up of all nerves that carries messages from central nervous system or CNS. Means what is basic function? Just to transport message from one part of the body to another part of the body. And we can also call it as similar structure like telephone wires, uh, which are connected in our home. And these both CNS and PNS, this system both work together to make rapid changes in our body in response to our body movement or body stimulation. So here in this diagram it's green in color, means green color represents the peripheral nervous system. So coming to the next slide, what is peripheral nervous system? I told you, I think in the previous slide, I told. Okay, again, peripheral nervous system is divided into two types. That is somatic nervous system, another is autonomic nervous system. In somatic nervous system, it is associated with voluntary movements of the body, that is controlled by skeletal muscles. And in autonomic nervous system, it is associated with CNS, two organs, and it travels or it transfer information about the movement of the body and every whatever movement is or whatever uh, activities we are performing. It's generally involuntary because we are unconscious to these activities. Okay, so what is, again coming to the next slide, what is autonomic nervous system? It is again divided into two types, that is sympathetic nervous system, parasympathetic nervous system. And first about sympathetic nervous system, it controls in times of stress, in whenever you are in stress, like when you are fighting, whenever you are running, that time. And the opposite is parasympathetic nervous system, like it will control your body in time of rest, like when you are sleeping or sitting somewhere else. Okay, so coming to the next slide, These two nervous system have basic difference, that is sympathetic nervous system, parasympathetic nervous system. These are three factors are there, like heart rate, respiratory rate, blood pressure. In case of uh, sympathetic nervous system, it decreases, whereas in case of parasympathetic nervous system, it increases. Thank you. Hope you understand whatever I told, and you can ask me any doubt regarding this in the comment section. Okay, thank you.